Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. At the top of the list, your computer name, click on the View menu and select Show Hidden Devices. Check if your camera shows up. It might be listed under Imaging Devices or Cameras. If not, click on Action, scan for hardware changes to see if Windows detects it. If there's a device with a yellow warning or question mark, right-click and try updating the driver. Still not working? Try adding the camera manually. Go to Action, Add Legacy Hardware, click Next, and try Automatic Detection. If that doesn't help, repeat the process but choose Install the hardware that I manually select. Find and install the Microsoft default camera driver or choose from the list if it's an external camera. Follow the steps and restart your computer. If it's still not working, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Hope this helped you out. Feel free to give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.